In rather written or formal English, would is sometimes used to talk about past habits. Before we had electricity, people would use gas lamps. Every morning, my wife would make breakfast before I woke. Used to expresses the idea that something happened or continued over a period of time in the past. I used to come here when I was a student. Frank used to have a bike, but then he sold it. I used to come here means that I came here regularly at one period, but then I stopped coming here. Note that there is no present tense form for this structure, so I used to come here now is wrong. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily lessons and contents, and also please hit that like button. Other possible negative structures. There didn't used to be so much crime. There never used to be so much crime. There used not to be so much crime. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Remember to subscribe for daily contents and lessons. If you like this lesson, please like my video, and you can also watch my prior contents from here. I will see you tomorrow.